As our WordPress theme grows, it makes sense to organize our code into a more organized and maintainable way. Using a template part will allow us to do this by taking parts of our templates or our code and then placing them into their own file. Just like we did with the header and footer areas, we can then reuse these template parts in multiple parts of our theme. So this is a really useful way to avoid any code repetition. A good use for this would be our comments.php file. We can move the comments form into its own file to keep things more organized, and also the file size down. To also help with this organization, I'm going to create a new folder to keep these in, called template parts. So in the root of the project, add a new folder this time. This is called template parts. And then inside of this folder, we can create a new file, and this is called the custom comment form. This also needs the .php extension. Let's add a PHP comment at the top of this file. Close this off. Then inside of here, we're going to add a comment of template part for displaying our custom comment form. Okay, so now over in the comments.php, we're going to cut out the comment form at the bottom of the file. Let's head over there now, comments.php. Your code, particularly if the code is to be reused or if you want to break up any larger files into smaller pieces.